Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning of Tuesday, the 5th of July, 2022, time about 8:40 a.m. You know, one of the things I tell my subscribers in the morning, actually, as I leave for holidays, we all do, as you know, like the 4th of July, I hate taking positions over it because you never know what you're walking into. Let me give you an example. You're down 500 points in the Dow, 70 points in the S&P. Copper down 17 cents. That's a new, 2-year low? Dollar soaring back over the 106 level. The question is, you're going to crack under 102 in the futures in the euro. When you step to the grain markets, rain makes grain. And on the 4th of July, you walk into cornfields and you see it, you have knee-high grain. How's the soil moisture? If it's good, prices generally fall right after this holiday. Go look at the seasonals. That's what it is. But that 4-day period, anything can happen. You get new 4-day forecasts on these holidays. You just don't know. Bonds and notes soaring. And I want to use that word soaring to the upside. Bitcoin tried the up last night, lost the embedded reading intra-evening, then fell back down, cracked 1900 and coming back up here. Got to be a bit careful. A lot of the lending companies in Bitcoin, one of Peter Thiel's that he backs, they are saying, okay, they're through doing transactions right now. The volatility is too large. What does that send to the marketplace? I'd be concerned there. Look at the energy break. This all happened in the past couple hours in the energies. When I woke up, they were nothing like this. They were just about unchanged. I was writing my report, getting ready, looking at them, nothing. They have fallen apart ever since then. You know that President Biden is leaving for his talk with the Saudis. Maybe that's got some pressure coming on it from that. When we take a look at the day's news, the Labor Department's going to report nationwide figures for payrolls this coming Friday. Germany posted a trade deficit for the first time in more than a decade. Eurozone PMI came out terrible. President Biden had Miss Yellen, our Treasury Secretary, talk with Vice Premier Liu this morning on maybe they're going to lift some tariffs. You know, the president's got to do something. He can't seem to get his hands around inflation. Russian news agencies today said that in the Ukraine area, and I can't pronounce the name, excuse me, that's now fully under Russian control, they're going to sell their grain to Iran, Iraq, and Saudi Arabia. So, you know, limited countries that are willing to buy it, but that's what you've got to deal with there. So you put it all together, and today you get factory orders at 9 o'clock. That's your one piece of data. This is more a reaction to holiday news that comes out, and I always warn my traders, holiday news can break an account. I walk away often. Futures you can get in and out of. Yes, if you guess right, you're in wonderful shape. And in this case, the market did pay attention to the trends and broke with them. Be it the grain market, the stock markets, that's what's been going on, even the copper markets. So you pay attention to all that. Now, one of the things that I use in a day like today are my pivot points. Why? Because what pivot points can do for you on a day like today is they give you intraday the support resistance zones where the markets are likely to find support, resistance, how they're going to pivot back up. And that's the whole concept of them, pivoting back up to this white line, if you will, which is the center line. I created a 3-part video series that is totally free. It teaches you how the formula works because you probably have this piece of software in your charting software. It's very, very popular. How you approach the first and second buy zones, first and second sell zones, but how you tie into what nobody else does, the slow stochastics, and the edge that gives you both in the timing and what the market may and may not do. As I said, it's totally free. All you've got to do is go to our website, and under the free offers, you will see this is one of the things that we offer you there. Again, you can go there that way, www.iraepstein.com, or you can just at this point take your cursor, move it up here. When you do so, you'll see the icon, give it a click, it'll take you right to the area you have to go. If you have any questions, call my staff as well. I'll see you this afternoon with our market wrap-ups. I wish I could say that I'm surprised by today's action in any manner, not in the least. You have a good day.